God willing, yo, the Lord is on my side on this trip, guys. I don't think y'all understand. The South Africans are having their own K-drama on their way to South Korea. Welcome to the latest vlog. The craziness of it all, the craziness of it all. Where do I start with this? Bam. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, the one that I am still starting. I feel like every video is like a starting, but anyway, so fam, ooh, what a week. This trip did not go smoothly and we have not even left. Fam, we're actually going on a family vacay and I decided, you know what, let me just vlog the experience. First things first, so I would say if you have a on the spur of the moment, as the Holy Spirit leads you kind of moment, and you're like, I want to go and travel and go overseas, go look for like a visa-free country or one that's either visa-free or visa upon arrival that would work perfect for South Africans. And even a news article, the one I saw was like Business Insider, where they said there's 120 or 161 destinations where South Africans can go, which is visa-free or it's a visa upon arrival. And it gives you like a breakdown per like continent. What do you pack? Because we are going from December holiday, super warm. It's like it was 31 degrees or something today. So we're going from that to in the middle of winter. That door in the other kind. It's like we're going from the one south to the northern part of south. But yeah, it's like from super summer to super winter. And then now we're gonna go back into tropical kind of like vibe. So what does a person pack? I must say, I'm so grateful. So grateful that when I packed, I actually packed with like, okay, I'm gonna go for a winter play, so I packed those things. I had those things in my bag. Now what happened was the stuff that I was like, oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna wear that for festive, when we come back after we've been into the winter trips. Now I was like, oh, I'm actually gonna wear that on holiday. God works in mysterious ways. Anyway. So, God willing, yo, the Lord is on my side on this trip, guys. I don't think y'all understand. I even have my hat. Like, let me just get it for you. I came with my hat, and the girl didn't even know. I managed to pack in things where it's like, if I want to buy stuff, I have enough space in order to get or bring things back. But then also the stuff that I like packed in is like essentials, but I'm going to show you guys now what it is that I'm going to pack. I just packed up all the winter stuff first, and then when the plans changed, I was like, oh, okay, now I need to like just shut up. But anyway, I just have like JT's makeup bag. I have like these two bags. I actually got this from Superbalist, like on sale. Please mind the like, it's very dirty, but anyway, got this from Superbalist. I think this was 300 bucks or something. Very unique, 70s, so my vibe. Got this from in Mabuneng, the market over there. Yeah, no, I think it's the Mabuneng market, but the one up the stairs, I'll link it. But there's like these pop-up shops. I got that there because it's winter. It's like very cool, very South African, obviously. This I actually got from Reserved in London. Go check out my UK vlog, you'll see it over there. I think I got this for like £17. Reserved, devs go there. These two tops, I am gonna wear my shorts. Then I have like a jumper. I need to fit these on to make sure these clothes fit. The clothes are fitting. So I have like a very nice jumper for going out or just looking nice for dinner and whatever else. This nice dress. This pants because I'm being kind of tropical. This purple dress. I actually got this at Fushini last year for my Ghana trip. Go check it out. Then I have this. Guys, this thing is probably 7 years old already. I got a cotton on and I never let it go. Because I mean, the print is so cool. So I usually wear this as a cover up at the pool, maybe. My toiletry bag, so I have to sort that out. I got this red bat, like very cool. I would say it's a wide leg type of tracksuit. I'm still contemplating if I should actually take this because it is quite thick in terms of like how to pack it. Or pack it, yeah, how to pack it. Then I have only like 2 jeans, but it's more your winter jeans. One from factory, and this I got, I think Bershka. Quite nice, the fit. This Puma top. You guys will see in the vlog what it is that I'm wearing, but yeah, I got this as well. But it's like 2 jeans, that top. I think by the looks of things, I should probably take this with. Then I have like just a normal long sleeve, a polo neck that I got gifted from my aunt for my birthday and my family. So this is from Woolworths. I actually don't wear polo necks, mind you. So this is the first one in probably a decade. Then I got this. Actually, this I got in London as well. This I think was like £10 or £9. I got this scarf. I think my mom got me this from Poetry a few years back. I think it is from Poetry. I'm actually not sure. Yeah, it is from Poetry. It's A in the his. So yeah, this is actually quite nice because I might tie up my hair. My hair is actually, do have a fro and big hair. So this could actually go with, in terms of, say I want to wrap my hair up and do like a really nice style vibe in South Korea, but then also very nice for the summer weather in Thailand. Then I have this cover up that I got last year on Black Friday sale. Got this cover up, so I have like 2 things I can wear as a cover up. So weird, packing in swimming clothes and gloves at the same time. Anyway, so I have these gloves. I actually got it on sale at Accessorize when I was in London, and I figured this actually goes quite nicely with the scarf and even this top. So I was actually contemplating if I should take this, but I think now it's safe to say that it's a good idea. Yes, fam, by the way, we are leaving tomorrow. Shocking. There's this black jersey, but I think I might actually, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take, it's just a plain like black jersey, I'm not sure. And then I got this very cute, it's actually like, fam, imagine, I go to the store, it was Mr. Price, right? I got this there actually. It's like sleep on my mind, but it's like a very cool nightie, and I'm standing there and I'm just like, should I take this? But it's so cute, you know, even though it's gonna be winter, but we're gonna be in a hotel. Only God knew at that time, because I didn't know this afternoon we were going to Thailand. So like, yeah, that's cool. Then I got like these 2 bikinis also on sale last year, Black Friday. The one was cotton on, this was actually Superbalist. This top and this bikini bottom I had. Also, I really like wear like matching bikini sets, but yeah, I have these 2. These are the only ones that I have. So I'll probably have to buy something. Then just like my supplements and whatever else. It's so weird, like certain things that I thought in my head, okay, we're gonna go one direction, and then it's like, nope, change of plans. Like that's just sometimes how life works. But I think like after this year, it's actually quite funny how this has been the theme of this year, where it's like you think that I'm gonna go into one direction, and at the last minute things switch up in a way where it's like, what? Other than that, I'm so excited, but I do look forward to experiencing this trip with my family and going to places that none of us have been before. But I really look forward to like traveling with them. I look forward to taking you guys on this journey. I am excited. I am a bit overwhelmed. So I've got a new laptop, so I still need to set up the laptop, but then also the programs that I want, like my editing software and stuff. Make sure like the memory on my memory cards and my phone, everything's copied in. Guys, it's gonna be a late night, actually, now that I think about it. At least I have like most of the clothes and stuff sorted. We are able, I think, to take like 2 suitcases. The South Africans are having their own K-drama on their way to South Korea. Welcome to the latest vlog. The craziness of it all. It's so weird. I'm looking at my suitcase and there's like this thick, puffy winter's jacket, and on top of it there's a sun hat. People are probably gonna look at us like, fam, where are you guys going? We're going to winter, but you guys have like summer and winter stuff. Anyway, may the Lord be with us on this trip. We're grateful. Never a dull moment. Theme of our family, never a dull moment. Family trip, there's always a story to tell, and this story already started, and we haven't even left the borders of SA. Good morning, everyone. Hello. On the day of the trip, I officially went to bed at, I think, like after 4. I'm tired. But anyway, like, I'm so grateful this morning. Can't believe we're going on a trip, and also we know where we're going. Also, our visas came through for Dubai, so we'll be able to leave the hotel. Praise the Lord, amen. But today I'm excited because I got my new laptop, and then I'm going to set it up because we're leaving in less than 5 hours, and the girl still needs to get a SD card because guess who left all the tech stuff at home in another city. This one over here. But anyway, guys, we're going on a trip.